right side down, left side up, right side down, left side up. Carbon number 1 चा OH downside alpha, 1 चा OH upside beta. Hello, 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 hello. How are you all? I hope you all awesome because I am awesome. Myself Santosh Jadhav, and I heartily welcome you all to your favorite chemistry channel, SantChemistry. Okay, so in this video, we are going for a topic from biomolecules, which is Haworth projection, manjes ring formula or ring structure of glucose and fructose. Okay, so let's go one by one. Ring structure. आता ring structure म्हणजे काय? तो glucose and fructose can be written in terms of ring. कसं? So you might have seen this structure. याला म्हणतो आपण glucopyranose. अजून मॉडिफाय करायचं, but this is glucopyranose, right? So how to write this? And this is fructofuranose structure. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा we should know what is glucose. Glucose काय असतो? It is C6H12O6 बरोबर. येस. आता याचा स्ट्रक्चर काय असतं तर वी राईट दॅट इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिशर फॉर्म्युला. आता फिशर फॉर्म्युला काय असतो? वी राईट लाईक दिस. 6 कार्बन ना, तो इथे येतो CHO, इथे येतो CH2OH, and as we know glucose is a carbohydrate which is a polyhydroxyaldehyde. So aldehyde group आला इथे, 1 OH group, second OH group, third OH group, इथला एक OH group राईटला असतो आणि फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ऑन थर्ड कार्बन. रिमेंबर OH will be on the left hand side. First, second, third. Third चा OH left side ला. Remaining will be hydrogen. इथे एक आला hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 and 1. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. Hydrogens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Done. C6H12 and O6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's the glucose. Now, how to write the ring structure? So, ring structure लिहायला, very first one, we need to expand this a bit. So, to begin with, ring structure लिहायला, we'll write like this: C double bond O H CHO. Rest all 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll write the same way. CH2OH, OH, H, OH. This I'll write like a bit separated. का सांगतो. Now, if I say, आपल्याला माहिती आहे की हा कार्बोनिल कार्बन आहे. What is carbonyl carbon? Carbonyl carbon is the one which has partial positive charge. So it is partially positive. आता का? Because doubly bonded oxygen, and we know oxygen is more electronegative, right? So this doubly bonded carbon, doubly bonded to oxygen, oxygen is delta negative, so it pulls electron towards it. आता actually असं होतं, this oxygen also delta negative, so it pulls electron towards it. आणि हा delta negative असलेला इलेक्ट्रॉन पुल केल्यानंतर it attacks on this positive carbon. समजतंय? Now carbon cannot form more than 4 bonds. बरोबर? समजतंय? हा partial negative, हा अटॅक करतो on this carbon which is a partial positive carbon. Now carbon has already formed 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth bond is about to be formed. मग कार्बन म्हणतो ऑक्सिजनला take your or take not your, take this pi bond towards you. मग हा इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडे शिफ्ट होतो. समजतंय? So as a result of this, what do we get? C, the rest all is as it is. Here also we have same CH2OH. आधी जे सेम आहे आपण ड्रॉ करून घेऊया. H remains same. Here we have O. आता इथे काय झालं बघा. Here we have new bond formation between this carbon. Here we have oxygen and this carbon. So there is a bond here. Okay? And the hydrogen which was gone out तो असणार H plus आणि हा ऑक्सिजन O minus. This is here OH, where O is minus and H is plus. Got it? अभी तो पार्टी शुरू ही है, अभी बाकी है रिंग फॉर्म करायचं. But got this point? Yes? Okay. If yes, Haworth projection is about to begin now. आपण आताशी ची रिंग फॉर्म केलेली आहे. Now we'll write it in proper manner. आता ठीक आहे. So if I simply move this, याला आपण फक्त राईट साइडला टिल्ट करायचं. ओके. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज tilt this on right hand side. बघा, if I say this end is on the right hand side, याला आपण राईट साइडला टिल्ट केलं. काय झालं? whatever is on the right hand side goes down. बरोबर? right side down, left side up. right side down, left side up. Okay? So let's write the ring structure now for this. How many members are there in the ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon and 1, total 6. 5 carbon and 1 oxygen, total 6 members are there. So we'll draw it in this manner. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. Got it? Oxygen number 1. We have oxygen, then the carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Now check. On this carbon number 1, we have OH on the right hand side goes down. OH right side goes down. H left side goes up. OH right side, second carbon, OH right side down. H left side remains up. H right side, third carbon up first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. On third carbon, OH right side, sorry, H right side na, so H goes down and OH left side remains up. Going well up to this point? ठीक है. Fourth carbon, OH right side, right म्हणजे down, left means up. Clear? आता fifth carbon ला, the twist in the story is, if this is downside, if it falls on the right hand side, हा कुठे गेला? Left ला गेला. आणि left कुठे असतं? Up. Okay? So left up म्हणजे this H will be downside and this CH2OH will be on the upside. समझते? Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sixth carbon is not in the ring. It's a branch. बघा समजते का? Okay? If yes, थोडंसं अजून एक स्टोरी मध्ये ट्विस्ट. This OH आपण डबल बॉन्ड वर राईटला शो केला. If it is on right hand side, तर OH will be downside. If that O was on the left side, काय होईल? Here the OH will be on upside. Very good. Now जर आपण असं म्हणतोय तर थोडंसं आपल्याला मॉडिफाय करता येईल. सो we can write the same structure in one more way. बरोबर? बाकी सगळं सेम असेल. This OH H, this H OH, OH H. Look at the above example. Glucose structure. Rest everything will be same. फक्त फरक कुठे पडणार? Carbon number 1 वर. So let's use different color for that. Here, if I have H downside, OH upside. On carbon number 1, carbon number 1, OH downside, H upside. Okay? OH downside, H upside. आता if you look at this, these two structures are almost similar ना, फक्त carbon number 1 ला फरक पडतोय. Hence we have a special name for them. Okay? They are called as anomers. Clear? They are called as anomers. They differ only in configuration at carbon number 1. So याचं नाव काय असतं? Name of this compound will be, since OH is downside, we call it alpha. Okay? Alpha. आणि since हा D-glucose असतो, it is D-glucose. D म्हणजे the OH is on the right hand side ना, second last OH, right side. So D-glucose. We'll cover that in separate video. For now, alpha D ग्लुकोज आहे म्हणून ग्लुको, आणि द स्ट्रक्चर रिझेम्बल्स पायरान स्ट्रक्चर म्हणून ग्लुको पायरानोज. समजतंय? दिस इज alpha-D-Glucopyranose. So this will be, if alpha, then the complementary will be beta. So it is beta-D-Glucopyranose. Okay, why beta? Because carbon number 1 चा OH upside, carbon number 1 चा OH downside alpha, 1 चा OH upside beta. Easy? Understood? Practice it. Write down, video pause करा आणि लिहून घ्या पटकन. Okay, then go for ring structure of fructose. पटकन. Okay, so if okay, clear with this, let's move ahead now for fructose. Now if I say fructose spelling चुकते हैं. Fructose again, C6H12O6. Yes, they are structural isomers. Glucose and fructose have the same formula. ठीक है? पण the what you can say, the elemental formula म्हणजे त्यामध्ये जे compounds आहेत. First one, glucose has aldehyde and this is a ketone. So let's see. Structure of glucose will be CH2OH. Here we have ketone group and the rest will be same. CH2OH, OH right side ला, OH right side, 1, 2, 3, third carbon चा OH left side ला. You get this point? Yes, this is what we say fructose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon again. If you count hydrogen and oxygen, they are same. Okay? Now I am keeping counting with you. You are smart enough to count that. चलो again, या कार्बन मध्ये पण इथे पण OH group on the right hand side, second last carbon चा OH. If on the right hand side, we call it D. So it is D-Fructose. ते आपल्या नंतर कामाला येईल because this OH is on the right hand side. All good? Fine. आता याचं रिंग स्ट्रक्चर कसं लिहायचं? सेम. पहिला आपण फ्रुक्टोज लिहूया. C double bond O, CH2OH. Here we have 1, 2, 3 CH2OH. Here H, here OH. आता या OH ला फक्त आपण जरा एक्सपांड करून लिहूया. Okay, again the same logic. This is carbonyl carbon. So here I am writing this CH2OH on this side. काय फरक पडत नाही कुठले तरी, but for understanding ते बरं पडतं. ओके, थोडं मॉडिफिकेशन करतो आपण त्याला. आता बॉन्ड तो H मध्ये नाहीये, बॉन्ड इज बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन. ओके, नाउ अगेन दिस कार्बन इज डेल्टा प्लस, दिस इज डेल्टा माइनस. The story is same, delta minus, delta plus. So this minus will attack on plus. इथून attack इकडे झाला. ठीक आहे? Got it? The attack goes on this carbonyl carbon because it is partially positive. Easy? आता पुढे परत तेच ना, तर आपण केलं for glucose. This C, this everything जे सेम राहतं त्याला आपण सेम लिहूया. H, H, OH, H, OH. This is CH2OH. हेच आपण याला मॉडिफाय करून लिहिलं. नाउ हियर वी हॅव O आणि इकडचा जो O आहे त्याचा बॉन्ड वर गेला ना. सो फ्रॉम हियर आय कॅन शो O हियर. इथे पण परत तेच, हा बाहेर पडला H प्लस आयन अँड दिस वॉज O मायनस. सो हियर वी हॅव OH. Easy? Got it? थोड़ा अपन याला अपन zoom out करूया. So we'll get a space to write this. चलो. Fine. आता ring formula here. अगेन द सेम लॉजिक, राइट साइडला पडणार तो राइट वाला डाऊन, क्लिअर, राइट थिंग विल गो डाऊन अँड लेफ्ट थिंग विल गो अप. आता इथे रिंग मध्ये किती मेंबर्स आहेत? 1 2 3 4 5 membered ring. Here we had 6 membered ring, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remember that, don't copy the same. Oxygen 1 2 3 4 आणि 5. Again the same. राइट साइडचा डाऊन, राइट साइडला कोण आहे? OH. लेफ्ट साइड CH2OH. समजतंय? सेकंड कार्बन, थर्ड कार्बन ऍक्च्युअली, H डाउन साइड, OH अप साइड, OH डाउन साइड, H अप साइड. हियर अगेन द सेम लॉजिक, डाउन साइड जर राइटला पडला तर लेफ्ट साइडला जातो आणि लेफ्ट मीन्स अप. सो हियर वी हॅव CH2OH and this H remains down. Clear? If yes, again if you look at this, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3 4 5 and 6. Carbon number 2 ज आपण चेक केला, 1 2. This is carbon number 2. On carbon number 2 OH is down side. परत तेच लॉजिक आहे, जर हा डबल बॉन्ड इकडे असता तर काय झालं असतं? OH would be on left hand side. Correct? So let's try the same. Okay, H ची दांडी खाली राहिली. Fine. So if I say O here, OH upside, CH2OH downside. ठीक है? Rest all will be different. Will be same actually. OH, H, H, CH2OH. ठीक है? So what remains? What is different basically is the place of OH. Okay, got it? Now they resemble the structure of furan. So the name will be, since OH is on downside, we call it alpha D because it is D-Fructose Fructofuranose, and this will be beta. So beta because OH is on upside, so beta D-Fructofuranose. Got it? And these two are called as epimers because they differ at carbon number 2. These two are called as epimers. Okay? And these two are anomers. Got it? If yes, please practice this. It is very important, and most importantly, ring structure दोघांच्या एक्झाम मध्ये बऱ्यापैकी येतात. If not straightforward this, then they ask you disaccharides or polysaccharides. We'll go for that also, but till then, practice these two very carefully. Okay? And if you have any query, write that in comments. We'll definitely try to answer, and subscribe and like the video. All the best for your exams.